In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide photos in Google Drive. If you're looking to store your personal photos securely, this guide will help you do just that. First, you'll want to go to the Google website. In your search bar, type in how to hide photos in Google Drive, and you'll be presented with a variety of options and guides. Click on the appropriate link that pertains to using Google Drive for secure storage, or follow along with me in this video, as I'm explaining each step for your convenience. To begin, open Google Drive on your computer. Once you're there, ensure you're signed into your Google account. Google Drive is a versatile tool, ideal for storing documents, photos, and videos alike. Now, for the task at hand, you'll want to navigate to the folder or area where you plan to keep your photos. If you haven't already created a dedicated folder for these images, I suggest you do so now. Simply click on New at the top left, then select Folder. Give your folder a name that you'll easily recognize, such as Private Photos. Next, move your photos into this newly created folder. You can do this by clicking and dragging the photos from their current location into your Google Drive folder. Alternatively, if the photos are stored on your local device, you can upload them directly by selecting File Upload under the New menu and browsing for your images. Now that your images are inside the folder, consider encrypting them for added security. While Google Drive doesn't offer native encryption of individual files, you can use a third-party tool like Boxcryptor before uploading them. For extra peace of mind, after you have uploaded and potentially encrypted your files, you might want to adjust the sharing settings of your folder. Right-click on your folder and select Share. Ensure the sharing settings are set to Private. This ensures no one can access the folder or its contents without explicit permission from you. Take a moment to review these settings. It's crucial to update this to avoid any accidental sharing. Lastly, remember to sign out of your Google account once you're finished, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. This prevents any unauthorized access to your drive and keeps your photos safe. And that's how you hide and secure your photos in Google Drive. By following these steps, you can ensure your personal images are not only hidden, but safely tucked away behind strong security measures. I hope this guide has been helpful and puts your mind at ease when it comes to online photo storage. Make sure to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy securing.